Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28219AT. It's red in color, as you can see. It's four-wheel drive with the 3.73 axle gears, a 4-to-1 rock track transfer case with true lock differentials. Has the quick disconnect front sway bar. Fog lights down below. "18" alloy wheels with new tires. It's the black step bar on the side here. Let's take a look inside here. Has premium cloth seats, power heated mirrors. Does have the black 3-piece hardtop, auxiliary stereo input, satellite radio, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth for your phone. Got your cup holders down below, center console here. Take a look in the back. Back seat. This vehicle is very clean inside and out. Got your cup holders down below. Up top you got your sound bar. A little storage on the side door here. Spare tire on the back. The Sherry logo on it. Got a tow hook down below here. Again, we're looking at a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28219AT. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit us at Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or give me a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.